everybody, it's Brandy with Eternal Harvest, and I have decided to start vlogging in the middle of the week. I usually do my big tutorials or decor posts on Sundays around 10 a.m. And I was on a podcast this week with Donnie Carter. He does the Maker Minded podcast. You can check it out. And he kind of gave me the idea that maybe I should do a little vlog in between that tells you guys what I'm working on in the shop this week. And right now, what I've got in the shop is this alder top table. And today I'm gonna be filling the knots with some CA glue from Starbond, this stuff, which dries in about 30 seconds, you guys. This stuff is amazing. And I'm using knotty alder, so as you can see, there's like a ton of little knots here, that need to be filled. So I'm gonna do that, and then later on today I'll be sanding, and I'm gonna be using a new product for the top coat today called Rubio Monocoat. So I'll take you guys along for the ride, and I have to go pick some up too, so maybe you can come along with me to do that.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's make one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
For the record.
Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. I've done the entire table, and look at how hard this is. It's like crazy good to go. And I had to do a few layers in some of the deeper knots, and it's all done and ready for sanding, except I have to go get Rubio Monocoat now. So I'm not gonna sand yet, and I'll take you guys with me.
But we had to stop and feed the troops along the way. This is my life, you guys. Hey, my local woodcraft. Here we
Why
are.
were you on my side?
Kids fighting because they're crazy.
It smells so good.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's make one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
For the record.
All right, we're back from Woodcraft. It was a great little outing with the kids. It was fun to see all the stuff that they offer there. I always get sucked in and I spend forever there. But it was a good time. And they were out of little samples of the accelerator to make the Rubio Monocoat harden faster. If you put it on, it will harden by itself, but it takes like 3 weeks. So I need the accelerator. That makes it more like 72 hours versus 3 weeks. So I bought a big can of Rubio Black, and I'm gonna put that on here. Now that all of these knots have been filled, I need to sand those down, and then it'll be ready for the Rubio. All sanded to 120 and it's ready to be finished. It's raining pretty hard right now, so I don't think I'm gonna finish it right this second. I'm gonna give it a minute and see if I can catch a time where the rain has stopped. But otherwise, that's where I'm gonna call it quits today. I've got these, got a bench glued up here, and I've got this one ready to be sanded. And so that's as far as I'm gonna go today. Now I have to go cook dinner for my family. So anyway, this is my weekly check-in. I wanted to say thank you to you guys for checking it out, watching it. If you liked it, let me know. If you have any questions, drop them below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.